My name is Faisal and now we are going to develop some mobile application for iOS. The first thing you need is Xcode. So you have to open your App Store first and then you have to search for Xcode latest version. So you have to write Xcode in the search bar and you will get it. So now if you have already, then you can update, otherwise the download will be here, so you can download it on your Mac. And second step is you have to open it. So this is the latest version of Xcode. Now I'm going to create a project, so you have to click on create a new Xcode project. So here there are a lot of options available for watch, tvOS, Mac and cross-platform. So first thing you have to do is you have to click on single view application. Here you have to give the name of the project and then you select your team, organization name, which is actually related to your company, and here organization identifier is the unique identifier because there are a lot of applications developed by many developers, so you have to make something so Apple can identify that this is your application uniquely identified. So when you write your name or something here, so it will be combined by Apple and you can get the complete name here. So then you have to select Swift or Objective-C. So now we are going to develop application in Swift, so select it, Swift, and then you have to check it's a Swift UI or a storyboard application. So now we are going for storyboard. So these are all options are actually optional, so you can check it. For example, if you want some databases, we will go and explore these all stuff later. Unit test and UI test. Then press the next. Here you have to save your app, so you can select this Git repository on your Mac. So I will touch this topic as well further when I will go for application development. So when you will click on the create, so you will get these all interface IDE from Apple for Xcode. So now I will explain each and everything in Xcode so you can get familiar with these all stuff to create by Apple. And the first thing here is app delegate. So now I'm going to touch this thing. This is really important and the main interface. Thank you.